Well, folks, this is Mike Frosell Construction here today, and figure I'd go ahead and build a loft in the upper section of the shed here for some extra storage and free up some space around the household and maybe the shed. Let's get this started. Well, we're inside the shed here, and I figured I'd build the loft right above the door here on that gable end, and just gonna pull some measurements here and see what works best. Well, now that we're up here above the door, we can see how long and how wide we want to build the frame for the loft here. And obviously it's going to go up to the studs on this side, and then butt right up here. And I'm going to make sure I'm not going over too far over the door, because I don't want to walk in and feel like I got to bend over. So we'll do 79.5. Make sure this is the same across here. So 79.5 will work for the width. And I'm figuring about 2 foot off this wall would be perfect. Alright. 79.5 by 2 foot will build the frame. Well, we're gonna build the frame here, and as we came up with before, we're gonna do 79 inches long by 2 foot, and we're gonna build the frame here. So we'll make a couple cuts here, and we'll go from there. Brand new corded DeWalt circular saw here, 7¼ inch blade, and I figured I'd break her out brand new for this video. There's our two 79.5s, and we had a count for the 1.5 inches on both sides for the 2 foot. And we go make the cross members all the way down. So first we'll lay these two out here. I'm gonna do 16-inch centers. I'll put the tape on the end here. Go 15¼ and then X ahead, so it'll land 16 inches on the center of every stud. We'll do 31¼ land on a 16 mark. 47¼ land on a 16 mark. 63¼ land on the 16 mark, and then the end will just be a normal stud. Take your square and scribe over the mark to the other board. about a 2 foot deep. We're gonna take, there's 2 foot, gonna take 1.5 inches off, and another 1.5 inches. You got 21 inches. Will be the in-between studs there. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, folks, we're gonna assemble the frame here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pre-drill this so I don't blow through these studs here. And not really completely necessary, but if you wanna be a little professional, I guess you could do it. But I'm just gonna put pre-drilled 2 holes where each cross member goes there, and we'll go from there.
Only for an hour. You right through me, can't get power. I don't know what's going on. Scared me, but it won't be long. Don't mess around. You bring me down. How you get about it? Don't make it sound too loud.
Well, folks, the loft storage space here turned out great, and I'll be able to free up some space inside the house and the shed and what have you. But most importantly, if the old lady ever throws me out, I got a nice bed up here. Hope everybody enjoys.